Okay, so for Terengganu MPP2 paper 1 question 9 is actually a vector type of questions. So they give us some informations and they ask us to express s in terms of t. For the first step, you need to know how to convert or express your coordinates in terms of vector form. So I will write it as p coordinates t4. I write it as OP will be equals to, I like to write it as in column vector form, so t4, and I know another thing is actually OQ will be equals to 10s. And I know that PQ is equals to 3m plus kn, right? So I just write it out. PQ, I can separate them into PO plus OQ. So what's my PO? My PO is actually the negative of OP. So negative of OP will be negative T, negative 4, plus OQ will be 10 and S. So I should get 10 minus T and S minus 4 as my PQ. So okay, second thing, we know that our PQ is actually 3m plus kn. So PQ will be also 3m. My m is actually 3 and negative 2. Kn, my n is 8 and 4. I express my vector in column vector form. So I've got 9 plus 8k negative 6 plus 4k. Okay. So with this, I think we can compare our PQ. So I've noticed that 9 plus 8k, this thing, is actually equals to 10 minus t. And negative 6 plus 4k is equal to s minus 4. So we compare 9 plus 8k will be equals to 10 minus t. And in order to remove our k, we just need to express our answer in terms of k, because they want s in terms of t. So in other words, we need to eliminate our k. So I'll express my equation in terms of k later. So k should be equals to 1 minus t divided by 8. This is my first equation. Second thing, I can compare for my j. So s minus 4 is actually equals to negative 6 plus 4k. So k will be equals to s plus 2 divided by 4. Then we can equate this 2, which is k and k. So 1 minus t over 8 will be equals to s plus 2 over 4. So 4, 2, then 1 minus t will be equals to 2s plus 4. And finally, I will got t will be equals to negative 2s negative 3. Oh, sorry, they want s in terms of t. So I made a mistake here. They want s in terms of t. So if they want s in terms of t, sorry, I have made a mistake here. So I use it another color. So I will move my positive 2 to my left hand side. So 1 minus t, or I'll write s on my left hand side. S will be equals to 1 minus t over 2 minus 2. Yeah, so if you want to rearrange 1 minus t minus 4 divided by 2, so you'll get negative t negative 3 divided by 2. S equals to negative t negative 3 divided by 2. So for this kind of question, 5 mark questions, so you'll gain 1 mark for expressing your PQ correctly. You'll gain 1 mark when you know how to equate or compare. You'll gain another mark for getting these correct things and doing substitutions. And finally, your final answer will give you final mark. So 5 mark in total for question 9. That's all.